You on your own vibe.
Facts.
Facts. Okay. So let me ask you a question. From my standpoint, I like to cook. So what do you like to eat?
I like steak. I like
steak?
lamb chops. I like all my meat well done.
Well done.
Yes.
Chewy as fuck.
Yup.
No vegetables, no nothing. Just
Now we
steak.
can put some vegetables on the side, some mash. You feel me? But I don't want no blood. You like blood? Feel me?
I feel you.
Yeah.
That's it.
Keep it a buck.
All right, I feel that. All right.
You stand?
Oh, I'm definitely saying.
I ain't say no more.
So my first question is, what inspired you to even start your whole career in the first place?
I ain't gonna lie, when I was young, I feel like I used to know how to sing.